Is your organization struggling to effectively coordinate and administer training programs due to a lack of specialized skills and knowledge? Do you wish your training coordinators and administrators had the expertise to ensure smooth and efficient training operations? Without proper training coordination and administration skills, organizations often face challenges such as scheduling conflicts, resource mismanagement, and inefficient training logistics. Imagine training sessions disrupted by miscommunications, inadequate facilities, or incomplete participant information, resulting in a suboptimal learning experience and wasted resources. The Skills for Training Coordinator and Administration course equips your organization with the knowledge and tools to effectively coordinate and administer training programs. Through a comprehensive curriculum covering training logistics, scheduling, resource management, and communication strategies, your training coordinators and administrators will develop the skills necessary to ensure seamless training operations. For organizations, effective training coordination and administration lead to efficient resource utilization, streamlined training logistics, and a positive learning experience for participants. Picture your training programs running smoothly with well-organized schedules, appropriate facilities, and clear communication channels, ensuring that every training session is productive and impactful. Through this course, your organization will develop a team of skilled training coordinators and administrators who possess expertise in training logistics, scheduling, and resource management. Your teams will learn to plan and execute training programs efficiently, coordinate with stakeholders, manage training resources effectively, and ensure a consistent and high-quality learning experience for all participants. Don't let inefficient training coordination and administration hold your organization back. Register for the Skills for Training Coordinator and Administration course and equip your teams with the skills and expertise to ensure smooth and efficient training operations, supporting your organization's talent development initiatives and driving success.